Fáilte Iriist go speaking our language. An an programme daichid sa Shia, Bishin Ibrian, Movie, a Fiachin Rutin. We're going to be talking in this programme, programme 46, about trying things out. And I'm going to be trying to learn to ride a horse. In Turas Shaw, Hammy am in Comrie. This time I'm in Comrie in Strathern. And I'm going to be relying on the skills of Murphy here to teach me how to ride, and his trainer, Kirsty Lowe, who's also learning Gaelic. Hallo, Kirsty, cymryd a haw.
Hag yma, tapelicht.
Jes os eich a Hannah Murphy?
Sé eich erinach a hawn.
Eich Erinoch is an Irish horse. Hi, more. Jech washed so high. How big is he?
He's 16'2".
Big. So tell me, do you train riders and horses?
Yes, and I'm also an eventer.
What does an eventer do?
Eventers compete at dressage, show jumping and cross country.
We've already had the word fiach, meaning try. This time look out for the phrase fiach nach, try not to. For example, fiach nach ichu kus, try not to eat too much or see that you don't eat too much. Fiach nach ichu kus.
Havami yn ffyrni a choiche.
An tu gafod y fracost?
Yes.
Siwt ma ha. Fiach nach ich yw cws.
Havami, siawch o art es a habi.
A sin ma grai, ach bi feisgeloch, fiach nach tuchtju.
Fiach nach tuchtju. Try not to fall, or see that you don't fall. Fiach nach tuchtju. Fiach nach ichu kus. Try not to eat too much, or see that you don't eat too much. Fiach nach ichu kus.
Waar? Faction.
Ham ik jou schudood?
Sure, juf me hina.
Tafelet me ha. Fiach nach gostig u heen.
Isha, Jeha Shaw, what's this?
This is a bridle. The reins go over his head, and the bit slips into his mouth.
Does he mind that?
No. And then this goes round his ears.
He's a very good boy, isn't he?
Yes.
In that last scene, the woman said, Fiach nach gostich u heen. Try not to hurt yourself or see that you don't hurt yourself. Fiach nach gostich u heen. Eerst weer eerst.
Sure, juf me hina.
Tafelet me ha. Fiach nach gostig u heen.
An tu gafod y fracost?
Yes.
Siwt ma ha. Fiach nach ich yw cws.
Havami, siawch o art es a habi.
A sin ma grai, ach bi feisgeloch, fiach nach tuchtju.
Well, I'm sure John Wayne didn't have to use one of those, but I needed a little extra help, I'm afraid. Now, Kirsty, Janish, what do I do?
The reins in the left hand.
Right,
Face the tail.
there it is, right.
Left foot in the stirrup with your toe down.
Hami fiachin rishin yanu. I'm trying to do that. If you want to say that you're trying to do something, you say Hami fiachin ri. I'm trying to, followed by whatever it is. Hami fiachin ri. I'm trying to. Janish, what now?
Right hand on the front of the saddle and spring up.
Here goes. Oh,
Good.
okay. Whoops.
League Division 2. Barnet 1. York City
Jane
2.
score avec Rangers.
Bristol Rovers 2.
Harrower hast.
Stockport County 1. Barnley 0.
Hi, Gabby yn
Brentford,
ffethni
no.
yn television i chwarae.
Hanid.
Cardiff City 2.
Hadden we
Cambridge
Geordie
United
tea?
0.
Ha mi fiach yn eistioch.
Rotherham United
Ha mi dylech i grai. Ha mi fiach yn eistioch is y radio.
Blackpool 0.
Jay Hackett the Shin.
Ha Lord of Yoga.
Och, rain machine is Hamagrim Ghost Hast. Jay Hackett the Nish.
Economics.
Och, lay machine is Hanyaladek Attackam Hast.
Shall show. Ha Shonishar.
Evaluathiach in the Gaelic Yunsachug.
Well, Haroyakam out of school.
Haroyakumson a small.
And Fiaxin Yasmaha.
Fiachi.
Velu a fiachin Gaelic Gaelic. Are you trying to learn Gaelic? Velu a fiachin Gaelic Gaelic. Hami a fiachin Riester Christian Radio. I'm trying to listen to the radio. Hami a fiachin Riester Christian Radio.
Gavmaliska.
Fiskerma.
Fiskerma. Ga me je fiachin, is goede smok.
Leva. Wat is je vet in routen zo jagen? En ik red down. Nik tonel.
Zeg.
Nik bit. Nik breven. Is je bekeurig?
Fiachin me in Yanchin.
Leva.
So what do I do with these?
You have your hand the other way up on the rein, the thumbs on top.
Like so?
That's right, yeah.
Okay, thanks. Ha mi y fiaching ri. I'm trying to. Ha mi y fiaching ri. And in that last scene, the man said, ha mi y fiaching ri sgur is smoking. I'm trying to stop smoking. Ha mi y fiaching ri sgur is smoking. Eistje vir eist. Vil Sean y siar?
Ha.
Gavmaliska.
Fiskerma.
Fiskerma. Ga me je fiachin, is goede smok.
Leva. Wat is je vet in routen zo jagen? En ik red down. Nik tonel.
Zeg.
Nik bit. Nik breven. Is je bekeurig?
Fiachin me in Yanchin.
League Division 2. Barnet 1. York City.
Jane
2.
Score avec Rangers.
Bristol Rovers 2.
Harrower haast.
Stockport County 1. Barnley 0.
Hi, ik heb die in
Brentford,
vechten
no.
en televisie gereed.
Hanit.
Cardiff City 2.
Wat willen we
Cambridge
Giori
United,
tea?
0.
Ha me je fiachin die eestjoch.
Rotherham United.
Ha me tullige gedai. Ha me je fiachin die eestjoch is je radio.
Blackpool 0.
Jay Hackett the Shin.
Ha Lord of Yoga.
Och, rain machine is Hamagrim Ghost Hast. Jay Hackett the Nish.
Economics.
Och, lay machine is Hanyaladek Attackam Hast.
Shall show. Ha Shonishar.
Evaluathiach in the Gaelic Yunsachug.
Well, Haroyakam out of school.
Haroyakumson a small.
And Fiaxin Yasmaha.
Fiachi.
Right, and we go over here and then we make a left turn. So
Okay,
you want to steer with this rein.
okay.
That's it, a little squeeze, and then the other way.
Whoops.
That's it.
Right.
And then this way again.
Okay.
Good. And then the other way. That's it. So the reins are your steering wheel.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
And then we turn the corner and halt.
Okay. Well, to say that you've tried something, you say, "Iach mi, I tried. Iach mi." Eiste van draste son, "Iach mi." What now?
Should. Fia sin a riist.
Greva?
Mrs. Sutherland.
Check.
En mijn viergen die beren staan in Gàidhlig gelegd. En gaan jullie kopen?
Steach ik kietje er staan slange.
Ja, misschien.
Fiach die iste. O fitter, känn diskäraket.
Iach mi sin. I tried that, or I have tried that. Iach mi sin.
Iach mi is gada, get gada.
Kim mar a thuda with orst.
Ní le go Richard, ní le second jack jaar.
Oh well. Sér gom fiesta at sort lúma ha.
Shite and bus a Gaelic rai. Jerry.
We're going to try trotting now.
Okay.
There is Shan.
Greva?
Trot. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. All right. And whoa.
Okay. In that last scene, the man asked, "Kimmer y huaru erst? How did you get on? Kimmer y huaru erst?" Eiste bericht.
Iach mi is gada, get gada.
Kim mar a thuda with orst.
Ní le go Richard, ní le second jack jaar.
Oh well. Sér gom fiesta at sort lúma ha.
Shite and bus a Gaelic rai. Jerry.
Mrs. Sutherland.
Check.
En mijn viergen die beren staan in Gàidhlig gelegd. En gaan jullie kopen?
Steach ik kietje er staan slange.
Ja, misschien.
Fiach die iste.
All right. And halt. Whoa. And halt.
Okay.
You have to squeeze the reins. All right.
How should done? If you want to ask someone if they tried something, you would say, "Ando iachu, did you try or have you tried? Ando iachu."
En de heerkusjen gaat hier. Ja, tell him sin. Jamie en koken wel zijn haken. En je wishaken en leeg me ietsje. Ik heb mijn wishkap en wil koken waken.
Chanel, heb je toelig. Jamie, je een panache die je zo
Is killen sin.
An die sin.
Ja, ma. Jimmy yen in bundi baji in to yakushin.
Hat hier Piero Higonse.
Khanyali khocheri shin. Hay spis ro kashke yor. A khanyali che.
Ando iach sin. Have you tried that? Or did you try that? Ando iach sin. Iach. Yes, I have. Or yes, I did. Iach. Chato iach. No, I haven't. Or no, I didn't. Chato iach.
Hashin Dolajit Musa. The Inchers Kasha Hashin. The Kasha Galsberg and Hidda Vihaum. And the Yashave. Hatu Yiach, a Billy Lajit. And then Fiachrovutbek. Tappelov. Jepper. Shikasha Blaster a hound. Gami Peace here.
In that last scene, the words larger, strong, larger, and blaster, tasty, blaster were used. We also had the word for spicy, spisroch, spicy, spisroch. Shad riesht, and also look out for antoyiach. Okay, go.
And the Yashave. Hatu Yiach, a Billy Lajit. And then Fiachrovutbek. Tappelov. Jepper. Shikasha Blaster a hound. Gami Peace here.
Jimmy Yen in Bindi Baji in the Yarishin.
Hat hier Piero Higonse.
Gàidhlig Chiri Shin. Has Bisrock Kashkayor, a Gàidhlig Chi.
Bumpy.
You just sit back a little bit going down the hill.
Yeah.
Sit back. Mind the trees.
Branch. Okay, cool. Agus inish cardius and dramaking. Kate has been trying to put the past behind her and get on with her life, trying to forget all about Toromod. And Anne, her female friend, Anna, a Banacharij, has been trying to help Kate, a fiachin ri Kate a chutiochug. Meanwhile, the well-meaning Isabel has been trying to help Sheena, Toromod's wife, put her life back together again, not realising the sorry state of her marriage or the part that Kate played in it.
Hello?
Hallo, Martin waar, madam, Interflora.
Oh, Alma, haha, trots oss.
Sjanish, madam. Om je vragen de roze en Jack eindigt, ach, bij het vader een huur.
Oh, en de jeugd kijk zo, hij oort zich plasten.
Is te gek? Ga maar een gosse peren, ga nog aan de marks. Ga er goed gosse.
Oh, Anna, mi dullig. Wil u haast knopper? En waarom vragen die op er een?
Oh, gek, doe me vragen, ik wil een scherken. Shell. Ga me het het liedje dan schrijven en Jack en zo heen of vragen die op een. Agus en Jack en Sagai. Agus en Jack en Royce en Kutjak. Oh, Shell Lusa. Hou bedankt het aan je loers aan de galaan.
Wel, ga Jack me gaan skal en Jay kerske jaar. Ga je ons het dullig die kopper kan er iets haramat en draaste.
Wel, we moeten vragen. Kom eens kan hoortje maken peren, maar we tussen knoppen.
Anna, ik wil er zo nog allemaal gekopieerd.
Haat afbeleid. Of we me een kijk zo, ik een dosje. Haas kan daar stuurt toch spatje. Oh, I was voeten te sjouw gelost, kutje.
Anna, kijk je door wat? Had Anna toch?
Rein met. Rein, zie wat veel hoort dat.
Oh, Anna, tapelat.
sé banach ar éidir bana hamlet. No sé. Agus an nuis an dach gur sam. Cait an déit sin.
Och, ik hien aan mij gaat tolle te krijgen. Dan moet je geen tonen goed gedacht.
Ha mi fyrwch color i ma fan her yn draste.
O, ik hien, bet de baan de kummel gemaakt. Dat vis am kararut ik een keer. Hou kait hoski. Wil u heen kerskeleoor?
Och, wel, ha.
Tjau kielbach, tjau keer.
Troed Isabel, nach dit sin is an cwch beti.
Baby, wil u kindje? Nou, ik een dochter huis.
O, ha mi cynioch kersgeleor.
O, hine meter, tjätra, maar dat moet je gaan doen. Kate, hallo. Gamle liskal, gaan je zien op het gewaanju.
Nach hele meer wil je hadoelig geri baby.
Well, Kirsty, Kia, thanks very much.
Shade of better.
I really enjoyed myself, thanks. Whoops. Well, Sinead, son program illa. In Nahuris, next time we'll be talking about telling people things. Until then, mustn't leave in Rasta. Now, all I have to do is get off, and no table this time.
In this program, we introduced you to Fiach nach Gostichu Uhen. Fiach nach Gostichu Uhen. Hamia Fiachin ri Eistach Christian Radio. Hamia Fiachin ri Eistach Christian Radio. Iach mi shin. Iach mi shin. Kimmer hoor o'r arst. Kimmer hoor o'r arst. Anti iach o shin. Anti iach o shin. Iach. Iach. Gaat er iach. Gaat er iach.